So today we're reviewing the microclimate heating system for our new vivarium for the Pygmy Hedgehog. Inside, this is one we've got the microclimate 600, which is the B2 pulse digital thermostat, and we've got the ceramic bulb to go inside it, which is non-light emitting, which is perfect for Pygmy Hedgehogs. So this is a microclimate thermostat. You've got your mains, your output and your sensor. The mains, I haven't switched it on yet, but I've got that plugged in ready to go. The sensor we've already got built into the back via TVT Vivariums. We provide a vivarium for us. It's got a little clip around it just to keep it up. Obviously with Pygmy Hedgehogs they can and probably will bite things, so we've got that tape there. It does say don't attach to the wall. Ours is actually, it can be free flow. We can put it forward a little bit, and it must be, I think, 8 to 9 inches away from the heat source. Obviously you want to have when your temperature is gauging all the time, you don't want it too near. You want an accurate result, so you don't want it too near. So you've also got the clicker switch that you can turn the bulb on and off. It goes into the output plug there, so that's easily sorted. So when you want to change the temperature of your thermostat, inside the box is this little key, which is perfect. This is actually recessed inside, so you can't accidentally knock it or change it. So therefore I know that the Pygmy Hedgehog should be about 76 degrees at all times, so I change that around there to put it up a little higher just to be sure. You don't want it much lower than that because obviously they need to be kept at a consistent temperature. So on the side of the box is where the fuse goes. This is easily openable with a little tool that they've given you, same one that you change the thermometer or thermostat with, up or down. So inside there is your fuse, so should you ever need to change it, it's really easy. So just make sure you keep your little key somewhere safe in case you need it. I think that's from what I've read in the instructions, they're fully serviceable parts, so if you've got any problem with this, then it's got a 5-year guarantee. Obviously the fuses would be different, but the box itself's got a 5-year guarantee that comes with it. So this is the bulb. The ceramic heat says is 100 watt. This is non-light emitting. So I'll pop this in. So you'll put the bulb in. Just literally screws in to the holder. There we go. So we just turn the box on. You can see the power buttons come on with the green light and the pulsing heat thermometer. So the light shows you when it's adding extra power to the bulb. This will cut out when it's reached temperature, but it'll probably pop back on and off as and when it's needed. If it's a specifically cold night, it'll probably stay on all the time. So as an extra, I bought this Terra digital thermometer with a sensor. This is just so I can be sure that there's like a constant temperature from one end of the vivarium to the other, and it's also a visual display that I can look at quickly just to be sure that everything's fine. So it comes with obviously the digital screen. You just have to pull as usual the little tab out that was in the back, which I've done. The sensor's there, and you get 2 little bits of Velcro that you can stick to the back of your vivarium. So as we've got the 2-tier vivarium, we've got the heating downstairs already, and we've got the sensor from the original bit of kit that we talked about earlier. I'm going to pop this one through the top tier. I've got air vents on the side here, so I'm going to pop it through there so I can check the level of the top of our tier, because we've got one in the bottom already. So I'm just going to put that in there, not too far in. Obviously I don't want it chewed or anything, so I'm going to pop that there, and then I'll just bring the sensor round, and I'll just pop it in the front